dropping their last 2 assignments noong elimination round. Bumagsak po sa 7 seed etong NLEX Road Warriors, meaning may twice to win disadvantage sila. Makakatapat nila ang Meralco Bolts, who were actually tied with San Miguel at the top of the heap, coming in as the second seed. Nabanggit na nga natin ang Meralco. Dead last back in the Philippine Cup, pero total turnaround ang nangyari sa kanila dito sa ating Commissioner's Cup. Pero they had to contend with an explosive score in the person of Al Thornton. This guy went off for 12 points right in the first quarter.
Coming out of the gate, we mentioned the 12-point lead na naitayo nitong NLEX Road Warriors. Arinze Onuaku, anemic performance. He has 8 ang average niya sa rebounds. 18, hindi niya nakuha yan today. He only had 11 rebounds, pero yung effort talaga ng buong team ng Meralco Bolts. Pero we saw some nice, inspired NLEX plays. Magulo, makikita natin yan sa third quarter.
Pero dito sa second quarter, digdigan pa rin ang naging labanan. Lumamang ng 12 NLEX, pero bumalik din naman ang Meralco to within 5. Here comes the third quarter play. Cliff Hodge, another cliffhanger of a shot as Asi Taulava gets his in that frame. Pero ito na yung nagpalit ng complexion ng ball game ng NLEX.
Suddenly, the fourth quarter, Simon Enciso ang bumuhay sa kanila. Biglang ginanahan si Garbo Lanete. Biglang ginanahan si Mark Corboran. Pero steady pa rin ang Meralco Bolts. Jared Dillinger, andun pa rin yung mga atake throughout the game, like Norman Black said.
Thornton trying to do all he can to keep NLEX in the fight. Pero ito, Onwaku tahimik all night long but came up with the biggest of putbacks. And then over at the other end, Lanete comes up short. And that was all she wrote. Meralco advances into the semifinal.
Makikita mo talaga yung pagkadismayang frustration ni Coach Boyd Fernandez. They were right there. Pero that nice, simpleng tip-in play lamang galing sa kanilang sentro na si Arinze Onuaku and came up big in the final seconds of this ball game.
Meralco pulling off the victory despite only making 3 threes.